All right, everybody, we're gonna keep going down with the truck until I get her in place. Going down, going down. Slowly but surely, she crawls down the hill. All right, everybody. Now let's go see where the motor's at. See if I'm ready to start slapping her in them holes. Oh, obviously, she's sliding into place. Time to come down. Very gorgeous, I will say. Very sexy. Straighten her out. All right, guys. Looks like I need to go about another 6 inches, and I should be in my home. Yeah, again, like I said, getting clearance, make sure everything's out of the way so nothing gets snagged on nothing. You ain't got to worry about nothing getting broke in the long run, because ain't nothing worse than having to fix something that you broke. Go when you're home, fit, bam, got it. Now she'll stay. All right, so about another 6 inches. Sure, my tire chocks. Give me just a little bit of room. Try to even this one with the other one. Straight across. Looks pretty good. Alright, now bring her down some more. Slowly but surely, like I said, she's coming down. She's coming down. All right, let's give that a look. She rolled quite a bit. I feel pretty confident about that. Oh yeah, she's looking good. I think she's ready for insertion now. And as you can see, like I said, I pull all my power lines, everything out of the way. That way nothing's getting hung on. Bam, perfect. All right. All right, ready to slide back down in there. All right, everybody. She's dropped down about six more inches and she's in her home. one side. There she is, everybody. She's back inside the hole. She's ready for me to get underneath there and put them motor mount bolts on. And like I said, it's always key and it's always vital to make sure to get you a torque wrench. Both the motor mount bolts on the bottom, you can look it up on any diesel forum or anything like that that shows you the torque settings. But it's 79 foot-pounds a foot of torque for each one of the nuts, and I'll show you in a minute how I'm going to do that. Pause the video.